Guess where we're at? Guess where we're at? Guess where we're at?
Where are we, Paulie Paul?
We're at the Malle Mile 2022. We've got all our toys. We've got the Mighty Fantic, the Rip Matisse 250 BSA engine. What a beauty. And the rocket ship's here. There's the rocket ship in all her glory. Multiple winner at the Malle. And we have something under the cover, something a bit special, a bit like the Raider. And we have the girly girlies. Oh no. We have the girly girlies. Just ignoring the camera.
Hang on, Paul, I got a sneeze coming. Hang on, I got a sneeze coming. So wait, I'm
Bless
back.
you.
Hang on, no. Have it. Yeah. Bits all over the tweet.
That was horrible.
Yeah.
We got the flag in.
We're camera shy.
We'll get the flag in. We got the flag in? Yeah. Pits filling up nicely. What day is it? Friday? Yeah, we're on Friday. We've got 2 days to go to that. Of pure excitement and adrenaline rushing racing. But we're not allowed to race, it's just for fun. We know what that ends up like. Got a nice setup this year. Look at the tent. This tent is awesome. So we've got a couch, a mirror, tins, wine, bit of gin there, fly spray, most important, fly spray, cooker, bedroom. Oh, there's my helmet, and oh my god, I've been sabotaged already.
Oh no, it's got no skin on there. He's trying to.
Is that you, Eric? Yeah, Peter Pete. Making our way up to the scramble. Lots of bikes ready to queue up. Johnny and Robert Front, organisers, and then us in our marvellous tweeds. We're going to get our free coffee. Thank you.
Start taking off there. Yeah, nice metal tins, isn't they?
Yeah. How is it, Pete? Pretty good.
Tastes like hot chocolate.
Well, it's a mocha. It's coffee and chocolate.
Yeah, tidy.
So 1 is slow and smooth.
Yeah.
2 is a bit more medium. 5 is obviously it's a higher power. The braking bit. This says there 1 is minimal engine braking, and then obviously it increases the engine braking the higher you go up. What do you suggest? I personally have one, but it depends how confident and comfortable you are with the bike.
Right, so it's 1 more confident than less engine braking.
Yeah, I mean it depends as well if you ride 2 strokes or 4 strokes. 2 strokes you have less engine braking, 4 strokes you have a lot more.
I do all strokes.
Pinging at me.
Pete, is my camera
Yeah,
on?
so the reason why it pings is because it's an electric bike. It's just reminding you that it's on and it's live. So you don't just grab a handful of throttle and you go. So it gives
That's
a little
cool.
ping just to let you know that everything's on. We all good?
All good.
Yeah.
Here we go. Because you know, we like cake. Now we can have our cake and ride it.
You comfortable where your brakes are, etc.?
Yeah, I'm on brake 1, ride 2 at the moment.
I'm on 2 and 2.
2 and 2. It's making no noise. Rup, rup, rup. What are you on? What mode are you on? Oh, I got a proper back brake, have you?
Yeah.
I just realised that.
I got off the brake because it's a bit on 2.
Yo, yo, yo! Electric Avenue! We just got to go on these, and they're running the hill climb on the road, so we can't go on. So we go.
There's racing down there if you want to watch it.
Oh, right, okay.
Nice
Well, we're
jacket,
just
Sal.
making a coffee. Thank you.
Cool. Look, you look super. Ah.
Flower's gone.
Huh?
Flower.
Oh no, Pete, my flower's gone.
No, it's gone in your pocket. It's there.
Oh, it's in the pocket.
Oh yeah, it was hiding.
It's quite hard to get over, isn't it?
Where did he get? Oh, down there. Oh, me and Pete, we managed to blag a ride on these little beauties.
What else can we have for free?
I don't know.
Sponsored riders?
Yeah, I think that'll be it, Peter. Let's see how they go. Peter, camera off. CCM. Here's Peter Pete. Here he comes. Woohoo! Careful. That is cool. Oh, here we go. Where's the track? Oh, this is so much fun. It's awesome. the new Malle Mile secret weapon. Untested, unridden, unknown. Everything. So we're off out tonight now in our best wear.
Best?
Where?
Best where?
What? I don't know where. We're just going to go somewhere. We only found a hole in the ground with a load of bikes in them. What the hell's that about? And a car. Started.
here.
That's a great photo. And Paul, we're on one over here as well, look. I can see my bike there, look. There are YouTube fans.
Here, I'm not even kidding. We were changing their videos. Like, we have to go to this.
We came
have to go to this.
Where you
came
come
from
from?
the States and for this
yeah.
event, partially because of you guys.
Yeah, I live in California. He lives in New York, and we flew over here. We did an 1,100-mile tour and ended up here last night.
We rented motorcycles in London and did 1,100 miles, and he crashed and broke his and his hand.
Just my hand. It's fine. It's fine. And a rib. And a rib. And a rib. And I got 23 more ribs, I think? I don't know. I failed out of nursing school. No, oh my God, this is amazing. I saw y'all walking around with your suits, and I'm like, those are the guys! Those are the fucking guys we were watching.
Hey, look out for us tomorrow. We're racing hard again tomorrow. We got some more crazy stuff again tomorrow.
Yeah, we're very excited. I'll be shooting the whole thing.
Oh, excellent.
Unfortunately, we ain't got the sidecar.
Oh, that's all right.
No.
I'm on the sideline, so I'll just do another but shooting tomorrow. So,
If you see us out there tomorrow, give us a shout and we'll come over.
100%.
Yeah, we'll bring the bikes.
This is the new toy. And the sled goes on the back. Bit of alpine sledging when you need it.
I haven't met the Bapper House guys.